Hello everyone, today in this nice occasion we want to talk about the difference of the Moto GP and WSBK World Superbike Championship. Okay, let's check it out. Motorcycle racing is one of the most common sporting events, but what we are talking about this time, not the wild racing that is often held by young people at night. One of the most prestigious races in the world is the Moto Gp and WSBK or World Superbike Championship. This racing event is very well known in the motorcycle sector, and one of the racers who is one of the icon of the MotoGP is Valentino Rossi. I think you know who the Valentino Rossi. Okay, let's move. In Indonesia, it will also be one of the country where the MotoGP race will be held at the Mandalika circuit in Lombok. What we are talking about now is that WSBK or Superbike World Championship and MotoGP are often the same thing, and people think they are the same. The WSBK is part of MotoGP, but MotoGP and WSBK are big racing events in the world that are different from use of motorbikes driven by racers. Okay, for further detail, let's discuss one by one. What is the MotoGP? What is the WSBK? And what makes different and what is similar between MotoGP and WSBK? Okay, first of all, let's talk about what MotoGP is. From Wikipedia, what I was looking for, the MotoGP Championship are the main class of the motorcycle Grand Prix racing series. Previously, this class was known as the 500cc class or commonly called GP 500, which was first held since the 1949 season. Okay, next, number 2. From what I got in the Wikipedia, WSBK or World Superbike Championship is the motorcycle racing championship using a mass product motorcycle sold in the market. Okay everyone, that's all about the MotoGP and the WSBK or World Superbike Championship. Now that we discuss together what the difference between MotoGP and WSBK. Number 1. Budget. MotoGP team budget is bigger than WSBK. In the MotoGP, teams can spend as much as they like: bikers, testing, equipment, staff, and more. Unlike the team competition in the WSBK, where the team spending on the motorbikes racer than R&D were unlimited. Number 2. Weight. Minimum in the weight MotoGP is 157 kg, while in the World Superbike Championship is 168 kg. Okay, number 3. Emission. In the MotoGP rules are quite simple. Free engine design as long as it does not 1000cc. And in the WSBK, it's more complete. Two-stroke engines are preferred, but engines configures can be there and 4-cylinder with a capacity of 1000 cc. Okay, next, number 4, issue and software. As of 2016, MotoGP bikes are equipped with standard ACU and superwear package to keep the competition fight. And in the WSBK, the choice of issue and software is more open, at the most only limited by budget. Next, number 5, racing season. The MotoGP racing calendar is much longer than the WSBK season. The MotoGP racing season usually have from March to the end of November, while WSBK usually takes place from February to the end of October. Okay, similar between MotoGP and WSBK. But MotoGP racing events use a motor with a sporty design in the race, and is one of the prestigious racing events in the world motorcycle racing. Okay everyone, that's all about the different MotoGP and WSBK. From the discussion above, it can be concluded MotoGP and WSBK or World Superbike Championship are prestigious racing events that use the same motorsport as used. However, there are some differences in the specification of the motor that is used. MotoGP bike use custom-built prototype racing machine, while the WSBK engine is mass-produced motorcycle that has been overhauled specifically for racing. Okay everyone, that's all the explanation of MotoGP and the WSBK that I can explain. I hope friends can understand what I explain and can distinguish between MotoGP and WSBK. So for the presentation, thank you for the attention, and friends, sorry if there are words that are not clear, and please your heart. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.